Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a Google Docs spreadsheet as a PDF file format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then select Download, and then select PDF. And then at this point, just go ahead and select Export. And that's all you'd have to do. And then just locate where you want to save it on your computer perhaps. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.